In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Stock Screener in TradingView. Start by heading to the TradingView website. In the top menu, hover over Products, select Screeners and choose Stock Screener. This brings up the main screener workspace where all your filtering and sorting will happen. Before you do anything else, set your market region so you are only seeing stocks from the places you actually trade. Use the drop-down in the top left to pick a region like the US or India. This immediately narrows the universe and keeps your results relevant. Next, click the Filters button to open the filter panel. You'll see categories that help you shape your list. Under Descriptive, try parameters like market cap to focus on large, mid, or small caps. Exchange to include or exclude specific listings. And sector to zero in on industries you follow. Under Technical, you can screen by RSI to find overbought or oversold conditions. Use moving averages, such as EMA or SMA, to identify trend direction. And include MACD to highlight momentum shifts. Under Financial, use P/E ratio to gauge valuation. EPS to focus on earnings strength and dividend yield if income matters to you. A helpful tip: start broad, set a few core criteria, then tighten them gradually to avoid eliminating good candidates too early. Now let's customize the view so your table shows the data you care about. Along the top, switch between the Overview, Performance, Valuation, and Technicals tabs to see different information groupings. Overview is great for a snapshot. Performance highlights recent returns. Valuation focuses on metrics like P/E. And Technicals brings indicators front and center. If you want a specific data point visible all the time, click the plus button to add that column. You can also click any column header to sort by that metric. Ascending or descending, which is an easy way to surface top opportunities. Once you've built a setup you like, save it so you can reuse it. Click the screen name in the top left and choose Save Screen As. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. If you want to analyze your results outside of TradingView, export the filtered list to a CSV file and open it in your favorite spreadsheet for deeper sorting or notes. That's it. Thanks for watching.